can't really do a proper introduction because I'm in the car. I'm just now getting off of work, and I don't feel like turning on my car lights right now. And I'm warming up my car because it's like 20 something degrees, I think. Anyway, but I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get home and situated and stuff like that. So yes, today is Tuesday. I should have started vlogging yesterday. You know what? Hold on. Yeah. Hold on, give me a minute. Don't y'all hate for my lip gloss wearers, which is probably just about all y'all. Don't y'all hate when you have on lip gloss and if you a talker like me, you get that white line around? Oh my God, I cannot stand it. And I really makes me cringe when someone be like, yeah, you got some white stuff around your lips. That gets me. It really does. Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I know it's been like a day because it's the glare on my glasses for me. It's giving very much up, Grandpa. Got it! But it's cool. I'll take them off for a second. But hey y'all, what's up? I know last time I talked to y'all was when I was first getting off of work, and that was probably like Tuesday morning. It's Wednesday now. Tuesday was a lot. I did not even get half of the stuff done that I wanted to get. Yeah, I need to get me a tripod because holding this is gonna be killing my arms. But and I think I'm putting my hand over the mic. I don't know. That's why I'm about to invest in the camera. But anyway, Tuesday, I didn't even get half of the stuff done on my daily to-do list. Like, when I'm at work, I think about all the stuff that I want to get done when I get off. And then when I get off, none of that stuff gets done. So, I usually end up more tired than I think I am. But I mean, I do work like a dog, so. But yeah, I did everything so late. I was cleaning my kitchen late, doing laundry late, making some dinner late. I was doing everything so late and then getting ready for work kind of late. So yeah, but today is my off day, so haven't been asleep since I got off, but I have been getting a lot of stuff done, which I am excited about. I'm trying to film a TikTok today of this Black-owned appliance air fryer that I got. I know I'm like really late to the game. See, it's my hand. I know I'm not. It's my stomach growling for me. I know I'm not. Sorry, y'all. Y'all gonna have to forget me sometimes because I just be moving a little bit too fast and I need to calm it down. There's no need to rush. But listen, hand, hi. But I need to calm it down. Okay. See, that just made me forget what I was about to. Oh, the air fryer. I know I'm like real late to the game, but you know, I got it. And I just feel like this TikTok, like the creator process of it, I just know it's gonna be fire. So I can't wait to film it. And I'm gonna use the Push and P song. Cause it's like, I think that's like the top 3 songs on TikTok. And I wanna go a little viral a little bit. I wanna get some views, some likes on my TikTok. I only got like, I think like four videos. One of them is like weight loss. One of them is just like one of the little challenges. And 2 of them is just sounds with videos. Like I really need to be better on my TikTok and on this YouTube, my social media as a whole, if I'm trying to get back into this micro influencing. Boy, hold on, because I'm not even near micro. It's more like miniature influencer. But I mean, we all start somewhere. So what I'm about to do is, today is the 2nd of February. So what I'm about to do is plan and journal for the month. Usually I like to do it each week. So, and then I have certain goals for the month, but I'm gonna plan for the week or maybe the next day or two. I don't know, it just depends on how I feel, and then journal and stuff. So yeah, I'm probably about to take a little nap. Right now it's like, I don't know what time, like last time I checked it was 11:15, and I still haven't been asleep. And when I do this and go to sleep, I end up asleep for a majority of the day. And we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm here in Ohio, but I just feel like it's not going to even be that bad. But I don't know. Living here, the weather is very, very bipolar. Right now it's raining and it's 40-something degrees. And then as it heads on to Thursday, it's going to start transferring from rain to snow. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm about to put the hand over the thing again. So, yeah, I'm about to just journal, plan, and take a little nap. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all real quick my planner, my journals, or whatever. This one is my planner. I got it from Michael's. It's pretty cool. I like how it got like certain little things for each month. But yeah, got this from Michael's arts and crafts store. And then this is like my weight loss journal. My twin cousins gifted me this for Christmas last year. So this, and this, I've had this one for a long time. When I first started like fully on my YouTube 2 years ago, I used to use this as my video idea book or whatever, content idea book. But this is kind of like a weight loss journal too, and like a weekly journal or whatever. Yes. Yeah, see, I was supposed to do my journal intake for, I think, the past couple weeks. But yeah, I'm just not getting off of work. And look, the snow looks so pretty. Yes. So right now I am taking out Legend. What time is it? Hold on. Let me check. It is like 6:47 in the morning. Let me tell y'all something about Legend. When it comes to the cold and the snow, he has difficulty using the bathroom. Like right now, he did number 1, but when it comes to number 2, he it's really hard for him to search for a spot in the snow. So what he do is he does number 2 in the snow. And it's so funny because it's just random in the snow. But I don't know, today is Saturday, and I think the last time I vlogged was, I think, what was that, Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah. My goal is to get some stuff done around in the house, but the way I be sleepy, we'll see. Oh, and another thing that Legend does too when he's using the restroom outside, like he will lift up a paw or whatever paw's like real cold, he lifts it up and just be limping like his leg is broke. It's so hilarious. I'm trying to show y'all him. Oop, I need the lighting back. I'm using a street light as lighting. So yeah. Legend. He's really having difficulties trying to find a spot, but I will get back with y'all later because I have nothing else to talk about, and I'm kind of getting a little cold. Honestly, at this point, majority of this vlog is going to be me sitting in my car during the dark time, most likely, because that's pretty much around the time that I'm always up because I'm at work. But yeah, this vlog, it was supposed to be a weekly vlog. Long pause there. But it was supposed to be a weekly vlog, and now I'm just going to make it into February vlog, monthly vlog, however. I don't know, you guys will see it when I post it. Because, let me just put it like this. I just feel like, hold on, because I don't even know how I'm vlogging because my phone is in my, hold on, be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back with I guess some better lighting, which is like this bright street light right here. I'm sitting in my car waiting for it to warm up. But like I was saying was, I've been procrastinating on vlogging because honestly, I just feel like my life is like boring. I do the same thing pretty much every day. And I mean, I go to the store sometimes, kick it with the fam sometimes, be doing stuff with my man sometimes. But it's like, I've just been grinding, picking up at work and stuff, hustling. Because, you know, I'm trying to pay this debt off, get this credit up and stuff. You know, adulting. So it's like, I mean, my dude, my boo was telling me, he was like, just vlog. Like, it's people out there who are interested in people's normal, regular lives. So I guess that's, I just need to learn how to just pick up this phone and vlog at this point. Maybe, I'm sorry, y'all. And on top of that, when I get off work, I just be thinking about a lot of stuff. A lot. But, I'm sorry, because people at my job be nosy. But, okay, and if y'all hear noise, I'm warming up my car, like I said. But I'm trying to figure out what I was talking about. Oh, and excuse my appearance. It's just this little top knot bun right now. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, so I'm excited. Something different. Yeah. Majority of the time, what I've been doing my hair, wearing my turbans, that's it. I haven't had the urge to do my natural hair, and I really need to get out that funk. I used to do my natural hair all the time, like all the time. Perm rods, twist outs, braid outs, flexi rods, top knot buns, puffs. Like, I used to do my hair all the time. It's just, I don't know. For about a couple years now, I've just been, I haven't been that girl at all. And I know I'm that girl. I know I am. I know that for a fact. But anyway, so today's plan is to deep clean my kitchen, my downstairs half bath, and what else? Go to Trader Joe's. I need to go to Michael's to have a pickup order. Probably Target. maybe Sam's, and what else? Kroger and Walmart. So I'm trying to do a lot, and I gotta wash. I need to wash, deep condition, and blow dry my hair for my appointment tomorrow. I know I need to focus on looking into the camera. Oh my god, I look so dusty. Oh. If I'm a little cringe-worthy, don't mind that. Oh, and every Friday, not every Friday, but on Fridays, I like to get myself some Starbucks. So that's definitely going to set the vibe and the mood for this Friday morning. So I will. The reason why I keep looking to the side, y'all, is because it's literally snowing. It's like snow flurries. And it literally looks like crystals.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with love and hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, y'all. I know that it's been a couple of days, a couple of things that I've gotten done, and I haven't even updated y'all or anything about it. This is exactly why I just need to hurry up and get my camera, because it's like when I have my camera, then I know that it's time to vlog. But when I have my phone, it's like I do everything on my phone. Like, obviously, social media, texting, calling, taking notes, whatever, on my phone. But yeah, so obviously, let's just talk about the elephant in the room. A girl finally got her hair done, and I got this. Something that was long overdue. I should have been got it. The reason why I was so iffy on getting a nose ring. Ew. I really need to clean my car. Anyway, the reason why I was so iffy on getting a nose ring is because, you know, when it comes to your occupation, you want to have a certain type of professional look, even though I feel like certain piercings shouldn't, what's the word I'm looking for? Shouldn't portray you as unprofessional, but I mean, that's just the world we live in. But, yeah, y'all. So today is my bugger's birthday, Zion. Today is her 21st birthday, and we're gonna be kicking it today. Her actual birthday. We're gonna kick it and go out to eat, go around the mall, do a little shopping, a little retail therapy or whatever. So, and I told her, like, it's like her birthday's on the 28th. That's like the last day in February. So we also gonna do some more kicking it this coming week. Because today is Monday, by the way. So right now I'm just with my mother and waiting on her with her appointment. And then, excuse me, I'm gonna go get some gas and then head some more. So yeah. Oh yeah, and y'all, I got my brows done too. One thing about this. Oh yeah, I like my nails. I love my nails. Shout out to Yana. Shout out to Nene on the locks. Shout out to Who else? Danielle on the brows. Shout out to Bree on the feet, because I got my toes done too. But yeah. I'll wear my, I'm gonna style them more. I should have put 2 things down, but sometimes I be feeling like that, and sometimes I don't. So I just got this little pony going on here, this little pony effect. It's just something on my mind, and I'm like, I'm not about to let it eat at me, but I'm gonna just say this. I got cut off because I had an alarm, but and then I started scrolling on my TL on Twitter. But I was basically talking about how I'm not about to let what's on my mind eat at me, because there's no point. Because at the end of the day, it's still gonna keep going on no matter what the situation is. So obviously I gotta just keep doing me, regardless what anybody got to say or how they feel towards it. And it just really kills me, because me being a Cancer, it's so freaking hard not giving a fuck when somebody says something about you or say something regarding what you do, how you do it, whatever. It's like it's going to be in the back of your mind, and you're going to constantly think about it or want to talk about it. And this year I said that I was going to grow and stop doing that, because at the end of the day, people are going to feel however they feel, no matter what you do. So ain't nothing wrong with leveling up in silence. So yeah. Forgot to tell y'all, it's been so long since I vlogged. It's not funny. It's not. But I forgot to, well, I did vlog some footage, but I meant to vlog my outfit. That's another thing. Like, anyway, so I'm in the next clip, I'm gonna show y'all my twin cousin's Black History Month production performance. It was so lit. We was having a good old time, my family and I. But I'm gonna show the clips. It's gonna be the next clips. After this clip, yeah, y'all know what I mean. But I hope y'all enjoy it, because I did. And I will see y'all. Okay, so what's up, y'all? I'm back. I did not vlog when we was at the mall, but it's okay. So right now, me and the girls are at the steakhouse for Zion's birthday. This is where she wanted to go. So yeah, I gotta go to work tonight, and I don't feel like it, but it's okay. I'm about to show everybody. Hold on. Say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. I'm gonna get the vlog.
What up, bitch? It's my birthday. One big ass hoe. Fucking one on lame ass shit. Fuck the ops. Big BS in this bitch. Niggas on 4. Yeah.
She's a Pisces, by the way.